Hi, lovely Irina is with us today, and we're going to do a SkinTight Duo treatment. So it's a laser treatment that will really help to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles all around the mouth area. We are working with the laser treatment first of all from the outside, and then we're also going to work from inside of your mouth. So what we're doing, it's a heat energy that we're inducing into your skin, and collagen really reacts well to the heat. It regenerates, it contracts, and we are plumping your skin. It's getting stronger and we're reducing the fine lines. So are you ready to start?
Let's get started.
Perfect.